what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here in my channel. As you can see, my cables under my desk are so messy, and today I'm going to share with you on how I will do my cable management or how I will fix them without screwing my tape. I'm going to use this velcro since the power strip cable doesn't fit with the cable clips. And here is the final look. And that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next vlog. Bye!